Hello guys, in this video we'll be covering the unit install apps and packages in Trailhead Playground. This is from the module Trailhead Playground Management. So let's quickly jump into our hands-on challenge. Let's scroll down to the end of the page. So once you're here, click on the launch. And once our Trailhead Playground has loaded, let's go to install a package tab and copy the package ID. So this is the package ID for dashboard file component, and paste the package ID and install. So once the page has loaded, do select only install for admins. It really doesn't matter if you select any of the options, as this is just an exercise. Alright, so our installation has been done. So let's go back to our playground or to our Trailhead page, and let's check if we have done this challenge right. This is a fairly easy challenge, but if you do have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.